1967 Lambretta Special X150 with a custom sidecar. We acquired this excellent Lambretta Special X150 from a collector in the province of Bari in southern Italy. This Lambretta features a professional restoration a few years ago to original specifications. It looks very good and starts, runs, and rides very well. The Special X150 was part of Lambretta's Series 3 line and bridged the gap between the standard models and the higher performance SX200 range. It features the jet age styling similar to the SX200. It was known for its blend of style, reliability, and performance, making it a favorite among enthusiasts and commuters alike. This Lambretta comes with the original documents and ASI registration. Our custom bespoke sidecar is an all-original design, stylish and functional, entirely crafted by hand. This unique combination is fully prepped and is ready to take you back in time.